In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Facebook offline mode not syncing. First, you want to check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, launch open the Facebook app. Now, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here, tap on the option of Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Now we want to look for the offline mode option. If you find it over here, make sure it's turned off so that the app can sync your latest activity when you're connected to the internet. If your content isn't syncing, then you want to pull down on your newsfeed to manually refresh it. This forces Facebook to check for new updates and synchronize your account. Next, you want to head over to the menu icon again. Then tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Now tap on the search bar and then search for Activity Log. Here, review any pending action or recent activity that may still be waiting to sync. If the issue continues, update the Facebook app to the latest version. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store and search for Facebook. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. You can also restart your device or reinstall the Facebook app and check. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.